welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to understand the power of Stoic principles and how they can transform your relationships, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll explore how embracing Stoic philosophy can create a magnetic allure that makes others miss your presence. Remember to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with friends who might need a little wisdom in their lives. Let's dive into the art of attraction through Stoicism and discover the secrets of emotional distance. Stoic principles on how to make them miss you badly. Chapter 1, Understanding Stoicism. Define Stoicism and its core tenets: virtue, wisdom, courage, temperance. Discuss how Stoic philosophy can be applied to relationships. Introduce the idea of emotional resilience and its role in making others miss you. Chapter 2, Cultivating Self-Awareness Principle. Know thyself. Reflect on personal strengths and weaknesses. Emphasize the importance of self-knowledge in relationships. Suggest practices like journaling and meditation. Chapter 3, The Art of Detachment Principle. Focus on what you can control. Discuss the importance of emotional independence. Explain how detachment can create desire. Provide strategies to cultivate detachment without being cold, e.g., setting boundaries. Chapter 4, Building a Fulfilling Life Principle. Live according to nature. Encourage pursuing passions and interests. Explain how personal fulfillment makes one more attractive. Suggest ways to engage in activities that promote personal growth. Chapter 5, Embracing Impermanence Principle. Accept the transience of life. Discuss the beauty of impermanence in relationships. Explain how recognizing that every moment is fleeting can deepen connections. Encourage appreciating moments together without clinging. Chapter 6, Communicating with Intention Principle. Use language wisely. Highlight the importance of meaningful communication. Discuss how to express feelings without being overly needy. Suggest practicing active listening to foster deeper connections. Chapter 7, Developing Emotional Resilience Principle. Practice negative visualization. Explain the Stoic practice and how it can deepen appreciation. Discuss how envisioning loss can increase the value of presence. Encourage gratitude practices to enhance emotional resilience. Chapter 8, The Power of Mystery Principle. Embrace ambiguity. Discuss the allure of not revealing everything about oneself. Suggest ways to cultivate an air of mystery in interactions. Emphasize that mystery can lead to deeper longing and curiosity. Chapter 9, Maintaining Integrity Principle. Be true to your values. Highlight the importance of authenticity in relationships. Discuss how integrity fosters respect and admiration. Encourage standing firm in one's beliefs and values. Chapter 10, Leaving a Lasting Impression Principle. Make every encounter meaningful. Suggest ways to create memorable moments. Discuss the impact of small gestures and thoughtful acts. Emphasize the importance of quality over quantity in interactions. Sample content for Chapter 1, Understanding Stoicism. Understanding Stoicism. Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy that emphasizes the development of self-control and fortitude as a means of overcoming destructive emotions. Its teachings offer profound insights into living a life of purpose and fulfillment. At its core, Stoicism advocates for the cultivation of virtue, which includes wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. In the realm of relationships, Stoic principles can serve as powerful tools for navigating emotional landscapes. When we desire to be missed by someone, we often think of strategies that may involve manipulation or games. However, true connection is forged through understanding oneself and others, fostering emotional resilience, and embodying the virtues that make us worthy of being missed. Applying Stoicism to relationships. The application of Stoic principles in relationships encourages us to focus on what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions, while letting go of the need for validation from others. By adopting a Stoic mindset, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace and strength that ultimately makes us more attractive to others. As we explore how to make someone miss us, we will delve deeper into key Stoic principles and how they can guide us in fostering connections that are not only deep, but also lasting. Conclusion. Incorporating Stoic principles into your relationships can profoundly influence how others perceive and miss you. By cultivating self-awareness, emotional resilience, and authenticity, you create a magnetic presence that draws people in. Embracing detachment and impermanence allows you to appreciate connections without clinging, fostering deeper bonds. Meaningful communication and integrity ensure lasting impressions, while a touch of mystery keeps others intrigued. Ultimately, by living according to these Stoic ideals, you not only enhance your own well-being, but also inspire a genuine longing in others, making you someone they truly miss when you're not around.